major part itself and the bag of hardware. So this is a plastic piece. There is a hose for sure. And still connect to your toilet reservoir, and one the other side goes to this. Some small pieces. So it's finally being installed, so you can see it come out of the wall, going to the three-way T connector, and one way it goes to this control, and you can see the nozzle is there. And we can show the nozzle cleaning mode first. So you turn that knob and you can turn this one. You can see it's shooting water down. That's how it's doing the self-cleaning. You can see how much power it can go. Yeah, that's the maximum power of doing that. That should give the nozzle pretty good clean. And you can do the female wash. I'm just gonna turn this a little bit because you're gonna splash all over me. So this is very whoa! Shit. Yeah, I did got all over me, that's fine. And this is the bidet. So now that,